Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It's your girl Gigi. I've got some tips. Let's go ahead and paint them, okay? And let's do some color changing polish today because I'm just feeling like that kind of color changing gal. And we're gonna use this real pretty blue color, and it's got a little bit of glitter in it. And we're gonna do 2 of the nails with that blue color. Both of the colors we're using today are from Modelones, and I did actually do a base coat on these tips before I got started with the recording, just so that you know. And that is the kind of Modelones that we're using. It's the Inspire Gel. I'm a fan of those gels. They're nice. I noticed though, after using them a couple times, that it seems like they've gotten a little thicker, so that's kind of bumming me out a little. But also bumming me out a little is that I have been having some trouble with my voice. I'm not sure exactly what to attribute it to, but I am going to be seeing a doctor next week, so I will ask him about it. It could just be dryness, but it could be something else going on, so I just want to be safe and make sure everything's good. Now we're coming back in with another base coat, and the only reason I'm really doing that is I just want to smooth out the nails. I want to make sure that everything is ready for the next thing we're going to do. And you know, I've got a couple of things of base coat, and I just like to use it, right? I don't think I use it enough, and so why not give it more of a place in my work, right? I have the base coat, use the base coat. I keep trying to remind myself. So this is just me using the base coat. Oh my God, that was crazy. Okay guys, so once we get done base coating these nails, I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in the lamp again, of course. Different base coats have a different cure time. I just normally default to 60 seconds, but some of them are more like 30 seconds. So check your bottles, you never know. Now what we're gonna do is create a really cute jewel turtle. I have had the idea to do this for a minute because we did do that little jewel lizard. In case you don't recall, I will link it for you guys. And so ever since then, I've thought, there's bound to be a bunch of other things we can do, and a turtle just seemed like the natural progression because it's got that big domed body. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized these little pointy back gems would probably be a really good choice to make that big domed body. So it's that big shell that his body lives inside. So, and I'm not sure if it's actually common knowledge that the turtle and the shell are one, but I actually watched something about turtles recently, and turtles are not like other creatures where they can come and go from their shell and find new places to live. If they outgrow their shell is with them forever, and they grow their shell, and their shell gets bigger as they get bigger. So that's really a cool little feature, because there's certain things like crabs and stuff that they gotta go out and find their shells. So that's kind of crazy, right? So all I'm really doing is just filling in little spaces in that big bulb of builder gel that I laid down, and just making sure that those little points are inside the gel, and filling in all the little spaces to make sure that it looks like a little turtle shell. And I don't know, I think maybe it does. And here's the thing, is that when I'm not sure about a set, I run it by my daughters and say, what do you think? Does this look like what I think it looks like? And one of my daughters said immediately she thought she saw a turtle. And my other daughter said, yes, it looks like a turtle, but not until you said something. So I took that to mean, yes, it looks like a turtle, and I'm going to keep going. So I really like how the turtle came out. You'll have to let me know, am I deluding myself in the comment section? Do you think it's a cute little turtle or no? Now, for his head and feet, I'm using little tiny flat back green crystals because I figure the turtle himself is going to be green no matter what shell color it is. And that's his little tail. We're going to cure again. And now on this particular nail, I'm just going to go ahead and top coat it because honestly, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a second turtle or not. And I did this first part of the set on one day and just walked away from the nail table and then came back today, actually, today, the day I'm editing this, and decided, yes, I want to put a baby turtle. So what I'm doing is putting down another little bulb, and instead of just being a circle, I went a little oblong with it. And same process, guys, but just a little smaller. I'm using the smaller of the gems, and I'm just popping them in there and making sure that the pointy back of it is completely submerged in that gel, making sure it's sitting where I want and filling up all the spaces. And then I'm going to add his little head and feet and the whole 9 yards. I think they came out super, super cute. They're super adorable. Honestly, if I could keep gems on my nails for longer than a couple of days, I would wear these cute little turtles, but I can't, so I'm not gonna. I really am not sure what it is, but I cannot keep gems on my nails no matter what I try. I need to maybe buy just a really thick gem glue, or maybe try a resin like Talia does on Talia. It used to be Talia's Nail Tails, but I think it's Talia's Nail Shop now because she rebranded. I know that feeling when you think maybe my name wasn't the right choice in the first place. But you know, it is what it is. But she uses resin and not like gel or anything, and she really has a lot of success. But then I see other people like Kirsty Meakin, she uses gel and she uses poly gel sometimes, and acrylic to put on her gems, and her and Faye and all the other people don't always lose their gems the way I do. So I'm not sure if it's just something I'm doing wrong or if I'm subconsciously hitting my nails harder than normal because I have gems on and, you know, self-sabotage kind of a thing. You never know. You never know. Here we are putting on the little feet and head and tail. The little one is super, super cute. I like him a lot. I'm switching out that last one because it was too big. And now we're going to do a little top coat, guys. And you can see right now, this is the darker color. But when it comes back out of the lamp, it's a little bit lighter in color. But you saw that earlier. The color changing on these is pretty. There, some color changing polishes are really subtle, but this one is not as subtle. It's definitely got a very distinct change to it. So super, super fun. And again, don't get top coat on top of your gems. And if you have a bunch of pointy back gems, this is a great way to use them up. You get those in all kinds of little kits that you buy, whether it's polish kits or poly gel kits or builder gel kits or even gem kits. You get a lot of those pointy back crystals. So if you've been wondering, what am I going to do with these? This is a really cute way to use them. Guys, I hope you like these. Let me know in the comment section below. We're going to see you again on Friday for some more cool nail art. So be sure that you are here. Bye-bye.